Oh, you're sitting over there. What was it? Sorry, what car? Zero rust. Really? Zero rust? No, we also had the other guy's going.
Trying to get through this show pretty quick, but I did want to stop and show you guys this car because, I mean, this is pretty badass if you want to buy a little kit car to get going. I think this is the guy over here. How much are you selling these for running, you said?
I'm sorry?
Did you mention earlier you were selling these for?
That one right there is for sale for 110.
110. I'm just letting everyone know on the video. So 110, and it comes with a full chassis, full car, engine, tires, stuff like that. So a complete running, driving car. You're gonna have to finish it out with the interior and the paint and stuff like that. But you can get, you can get the project rolling for 110. He says. Is that cool or what? And then check out what they got right next to it. The freaking Batmobile's out here. Is that off the chain or what? Check out the engine thing in the front. Oh, there's Batman himself. Hey, what's up, Batman? What you got going on there, bud? Check that thing out, dude. Is that cool? Man, that's badass. Alright, so we're going to keep it moving, but just want to show you guys those cars before I kept it moving. The Batmobile and the Corvette split window kit car. Alright.